Welcome back to do some more story problems. Today is Earth Day, so our story problem has to do with something good for the earth, recycling. It says, Connie saw 20 things to recycle. She put some in the recycle bin. Now she has 12 left. How many did she put in the bin? So just like always, I want you to think about what's happening. Connie collected some things to recycle. We don't know how many she put in the bin, but we know she had 12 left over. So our job is to figure out how many she put in the bin. So just like usual, you can use some strategies like drawing a picture, counting up. We know Connie had 12 things left, so we can count up from 12 to 20. You can use the number grid, and you can fill in the information you have on a part-whole chart. You can fill in one part we know is 12, and we know the total is 20. You can fill in what you know in a fact family. We know 20 is the total, so that's going to be our number we add up to and our number we take away from. So let me read it one more time, and you can pause the video and solve the story problem. Connie saw 20 things to recycle. She put some in the recycle bin. Now she has 12 left. How many did she put in the bin? Pause the video, solve the problem, and if you'd like to, you can show your work on any of the problems you solve. You can take a picture and send it to your teacher. Okay, let's see what solutions we can come up with. You could count on. She had 12 things left out of the 20. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hops to get to 20. You could also hop on the number grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could take that information then and fill it into your part-whole chart. The story told us that the total was 20, and the story told us she had 12 as the part that was left. And we figured out 8 was the part she put in the bin. You could fill that number in your fact family. You might know that 12 plus 8 equals 20. So that also means 20 minus 12 leaves 8 that she put in the bin. Here are some stories that you can solve on your own. And again, you can take a picture of what you did and send it to your teacher. The first story says, there were 13 pieces of paper to recycle. We picked up some, but there were 8 left. How many did we pick up? The second story says, I saw 16 cans to recycle. I put some in the bin. Now there are 8 left. How many did I put in the bin? And the third one, there were 18 plastic bags in the pile. I put some in the bin at Kroger. Now I have 7. How many did I recycle? Have fun thinking.